Hey, Mr. Messed Up, we've had an emergency in the house. Let's have a butcher's what's happened. You can see there's been a leak and I couldn't work out where it was coming from. I've worked out now. If we bring the camera in here, can you see the feeder pipe into the toilet? It's in the corner. There's a leak coming from there. Now I've been able to turn it off. There's a screw here, and you turn it with the screw. Can you see the water trickling out now? Yeah. And to turn it off, you just make the screw horizontal with a flat screwdriver, and that stops the leak. Obviously this pipe will have to be changed. It's still leaking a bit. Let me see if I can turn it off completely. Yeah, that's off now completely. Can you see that? Good. So that pipe needs to be replaced and we need to clear up this mess. I hope that helps you. If you have an emergency like this in the future, you'll know what to do. Turn that screw to stop the water supply coming to the toilet, and that will stop your leak. Cheers.